How to fix error_logon_failure error on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix error_logon_failure error on Windows 10. 1. Check login details and security options at Administrative Tools /local security settings /local policies. 2. If you're some proxy server, enable Microsoft Proxy Server 2.0 Standard Edition. And turn on Allow Basic/Clear Text Authentication as well. 3. For Windows Server 2012 R2, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2008 R2 SP1, and Windows 7 SP1 users, install Security Update 315.3171 for MS16-060 and MS16-061. And use one of the following update rollups, depending on your operating system: May 2016 update rollup for Windows RT 8.1, Windows 8.1, and Windows Server 2012 R2, KB 3156418. May 2016 update rollup for Windows Server 2012, KB 3156416. May 2016 update rollup for Windows 7 SP1 and Windows Server 2008 R2 SP1, KB 3156417. 7. Ref, https://support.microsoft.com /n-help/3155039/error-when-u-change-domain-account-password-in-Windows. Error 1326 when you change domain account password in Windows.